If you're an owner in the Edmonton or surrounding area of a luxury style home or have invested into the Edmonton real estate market, you're going to want to check out this video while I talk to you today about a lot of things that is on people's mind that are thinking of investing in Edmonton or have already invested into Edmonton. Is your home value going to crash in 2025? And what really is going on in the market? My name is Stanko, and I've been a realtor in the Edmonton and surrounding area for 17 or 18 years. And I know I keep saying this on the videos, wow, we're in a really crazy market, but this is actually in 18 years of real estate, a really crazy market. We've only got 2,000 listings right now. I'm coming to you today in the end of February 2025. And yes, supply and demand, we're in very, very low supply and very high demand from out of province and investors, as well as many people that are looking to purchase their basically estate home or their dream home in the Edmonton area because we are affordable. Now, is it going to crash? I've seen crashes in 2007 and I've lived through them in 2008 when we had a very challenging market. What I do see is this. I do see a rapid, huge amount of increase in our prices. We had a price lift last year quite significantly. We went from about $485,000 to $525,000 on average Edmonton home prices. I see this going up. And is it going to crash? I think there are a lot of mortgage brokers that I've talked to said there may be a market correction after that. However, before 2007, we had houses that were basically $150,000 in and around the Edmonton area. We had a huge market increase in 2007. People from all over the world basically looked at Edmonton and decided we were undervalued, came in, invested large. And then after that, we did crash back. But we did go up from $150,000 to about $425,000 for average home prices. And then we went back down to around the $325,000 mark. So are we gonna have that big blip again? We may. I'm not gonna say on this video that that's gonna happen for certain, but they are predicting a 15% increase. So is the time to buy now? Yes, it is. On any type of style of home that you're looking at. You will make that increase more than likely this year because of all the people that are coming and looking into the Edmonton area because of affordability. So if you or people that you know are thinking of investing into the Edmonton area, you want to spend your money properly and make sure that you are not spending it in the wrong area, in the wrong house, and overbuying. I heard this from an investor years ago, and it always stuck in my mind. You make the money on the buy. Quite interesting. We're at the end of February. We came out of a major cold spell of 3 weeks of -20. And now we're in +10 today, and it's supposed to go back down again. So it's just kind of a weird blip of the, and yeah, if you are thinking of moving into Edmonton, weather is always gonna be a factor. So you gotta be careful what you're buying. You always make your money on the buy. Always have that in the back of your mind when you're going to invest. If you are looking to invest in the Edmonton area or to move up or to sell your home or change homes, I'd love to be your realtor of choice. My name is Stanko. I've been a full-time realtor here in the Edmonton area for 18 years. I have a ton of experience that I'd love to share with you. So check out my other videos, and thanks for joining me.